Alright guys, I'm about to put the bike back together. Already got the tank on. Got it jacked up, ready to put the rear fender on. Alright, I'm about to mount the fender to the inner bracket. When you buy these kits, the fender comes pre-punched with holes. They're not drilled out, they're just like an indentation of where you're supposed to drill your holes for this bracket. This is the bracket, original bracket that holds the original fender. So you have to drill out these holes, these two here, 3 and 4, and then these top holes on the top, 1, 2, and mount the new fiberglass fender that they send you in the kit to this bracket. Then once you mount it to the bracket, you mount everything to the bike. Rear fender's onto the front fender. Alright, the front fender's mounted up. Alright, got the bags on. Lids installed with the speakers. Front fairing installed. Alright, the Honda VTX is back together again. Woo! Yes, y'all, I'm back to business. Back on the Honda VTX. Now I just gotta get reacclimated to the bike. It's been a while. I've been riding all summer on the Harley Sportster. But now the VTX is back on the road. Just gonna take it for a quick spin around the block to make sure I got everything tightened up, and I should be good to go. Man, it's a nice day for this too, man. It's a nice day for a quick ride. The ride on this bike is totally different from the Sportster. I have to admit though, I miss this bike. Man, I miss this bike a lot. Woo! Yeah. Back in business, y'all. Back in business. And it seems like I have everything put back correct. I don't hear no jingling or no funny noises or nothing. Everything seems nice and tight. So I should be good to go. Yeah, I'm back in full effect. It ain't nothing wrong with this bike. Everything's back together correct. So here I am. The VTX is good to go. All right, y'all. Until next time, I'm out.